Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Very awesome. And what Your Excellency, with me, my team, is Barrister Poppy, who is supposed to be with us. Your Excellency, this team.
Men and women that are thinking progressively about this country. And that's why a few days ago, the governors from the southern part of this country came together and without looking or thinking about party affiliation, we took far-reaching decisions in the interest of this country, in the interest of fairness, equity, and justice. The zonal executive in place, and they are the true rallying point for the people within the Southwest. So they will be invited. We will hand this over to them, and we probably will call an expanded zonal meeting where our leaders of thought can come together and put a plan in place for the Southwest and how we are going to interact with other parts of the other zones in the country.
Ever since we are given the assignment, we've been able to traverse the states within the zone. The stakeholders in respective states were forthcoming in making us understand the problems that are militating against the unity of a party in respective states. It is on that premise that we're able to kind of fashion out what will be solution to those challenges that are militating against our unity within the states. And that's what is contained in the report we are presented to His Excellency. I'm very optimistic that if we do follow up on the recommendations, the party will be in good state within this zone. One thing is certain, where you don't have a semblance of equity in the administration of the Federation, suggestion will naturally come to address that kind of anomaly. And I think rotational presidency is engineered to take care of the aspect of inequality in the administration of this country.